A long, long time ago, when leather was still in fashion, a young man left his home to satisfy his hunger for adventure. His name was Big Mjonana, prince of the Mutsamai tribe. A man with a spirit so untamable, he tamed the spirit of others. He was unstoppable. His hunger was too big. Nothing or no one could shake Mjonana's confidence. He weathered heavy storms, but if you asked him, he'd say it was just a breeze. Big Mjonana did many things, but the one thing he will always be remembered for is discovering a foreign land.
Wala mang gamla? Zo, Piri, wala.
Wat is dat? Er is geen één ding, meneer.
Ya, hindi ganyan rin daw, yes? Ito ba ibiza you rope? Euro!
And that is the legend of Big John.
Yazi nami ngicela Big John ne.
No problem.
Sure.